Welcome to Don't Do This Guide. Today, we're diving into biodynamic gardening, a unique blend of science, nature, and a touch of magic that's inspired gardeners for over a century. Have you ever heard of biodynamic gardening and wondered what it's all about? It sounds a bit mysterious, doesn't it? So, what biodynamic gardening? At its heart, it's about treating your garden not just as a plot of land, but as a living, breathing, interconnected ecosystem. It's a holistic approach that sees everything within the garden as related and interdependent. This means considering the health and vitality of the soil, the well-being of the plants, the role of animals both big and small, and even acknowledging how the rhythms of the cosmos all play a part in the garden's overall health and productivity. It's a truly integrated system. Biodynamics goes beyond organic gardening. While organic focuses on avoiding synthetic inputs, biodynamics takes it a step further by actively embracing the rhythms of nature and the universe, working these forces to enhance the garden's vitality. This includes things like planting according to lunar cycles and using specially prepared compost. Think of your garden as a symphony, not just a collection of individual instruments. It's a complex and beautiful composition, where every element from the smallest microbe to the buzzing bees works together in harmony. The goal is to create a thriving, vibrant ecosystem that is self-sustaining and resilient. By tuning into natural cycles like the seasons, the phases of the moon, biodynamic gardeners believe we can grow food that is not only nutritious, but also full of life force. Food that nourishes both body and soul, connecting us more deeply to the earth and the natural world. Ready to ditch chemicals, embrace a more holistic approach, and work nature instead of against it? Biodynamic gardening could be your next adventure, a journey into a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of life. Biodynamic gardening began in the 1920s, when Austrian philosopher Rudolf Steiner responded to concerns about chemical farming. Steiner's lectures laid the foundation for biodynamics, emphasizing the farm as a self-contained living organism. He introduced natural preparations like cow manure and herbs to boost soil and plant health. These ideas have since spread worldwide, inspiring gardeners to restore balance and harmony to their land. Today, biodynamic farms thrive globally, rooted in Steiner's vision of working with nature and the cosmos. Biodynamic gardening isn't just a set of techniques. It's a philosophy, a way of seeing and interacting with the natural world. It's about creating a self-sustaining ecosystem where everything works in harmony. Let's break down the core principles of biodynamic gardening, exploring the key ideas that set it apart from conventional methods. We'll uncover the secrets to cultivating a thriving, resilient garden that's bursting with life. First, and perhaps most importantly, treat your garden as a living organism, a holistic entity. Think of it as a single, interconnected being, rather than just a collection of individual plants. Everything is connected, from the smallest microbe in the soil to the tallest tree providing shade. This includes everything from soil microbes, diligently breaking down organic matter, to the birds flitting through the branches, controlling pests, and spreading seeds. Biodiversity is absolutely essential for a healthy and resilient garden. This means grow a wide variety of plants, including flowers, herbs, vegetables, and even cover crops. A diverse plant community will naturally attract beneficial insects and wildlife, creating a balanced ecosystem that regulates itself. Work with natural rhythms, aligning your gardening practices with the inherent cycles of nature. This means plant, prune, and harvest, taking into account the natural flow of energy and growth. Pay close attention to the celestial calendar, timing your activities according to the cycles of the moon, sun, and seasons, understanding how these forces influence plant growth and vitality. Use biodynamic preparations, specially formulated substances that enhance soil fertility and plant health. These preparations are made from natural materials, often herbs, minerals, and animal manures, carefully processed to unlock their potent benefits. They work to boost soil and plant vitality, improving nutrient uptake and disease resistance. Composting is absolutely key to building healthy soil and closing the nutrient loop. It's about transforming waste into nutrient-rich gold for your garden, providing essential nourishment for your plants, and enriching the soil with beneficial microbes. These principles guide every decision you make in the garden, from choosing what to plant to how to manage pests and diseases. By embracing these principles, you're actively creating a balanced, resilient ecosystem that thrives on its own natural resources. By following them diligently, you'll nurture a garden that's not only productive, yielding abundant harvests, but also deeply harmonious, a place of beauty and ecological balance. One of the most fascinating aspects of biodynamic gardening, and what truly sets it apart, is working in harmony with the lunar calendar. This isn't just about tracking days, it's about understanding the moon's influence on plant life. The biodynamic calendar acts as a guide, helping gardeners make informed decisions based on the moon's position and phase. The moon's phases, each one distinct and powerful, new, a time for inward focus and preparation, waxing, a period of growth and increasing energy, full, a moment of culmination and abundance, and waning, a time for release and reflection. Guide when to sow seeds, nurture young plants, harvest the fruits of your labor, and prune for future growth. It's a holistic approach to gardening. For example, understanding these cycles is key. Root crops like carrots and potatoes are traditionally sown at the new moon, when the energy is drawing inward and downward, promoting strong root development. Leafy greens such as lettuce or kale thrive when planted during the waxing phase, as the increasing moonlight encourages upward growth and lush foliage. Harvesting reaches its peak at the full moon, when plants are said to be at their most vital and flavorful. Pruning and transplanting are best undertaken during the waning moon, as the energy is receding, allowing plants to recover and focus on root establishment. While it may sound whimsical or even a bit mystical to some, many gardeners, both amateur and professional, find that aligning their practices with these lunar rhythms brings about demonstrably better results in their gardens. It's an ancient practice, passed down through generations, that connects us to the natural world and its inherent cycles in a profound and meaningful way, fostering a deeper understanding of our place within the ecosystem. Biodynamic gardening uses unique preparations to boost soil and plant health. The most famous is horn manure, cow horns filled with manure buried over winter, then sprayed on the garden to stimulate soil life. Horn silica, made from ground quartz and cow horns, is used to enhance photosynthesis and plant resilience. These preparations may sound mystical, but they're rooted in deep observation of nature's processes. Think of them as probiotics and vitamins for your garden. Small inputs, big impact. What's the payoff? Biodynamic practices create living soil teeming with beneficial microbes, leading to healthier, more resilient plants. Many gardeners report higher yields and produce that's more flavorful and nutritious. By avoiding synthetic chemicals, you protect the environment and support local wildlife. Most importantly, biodynamic gardening deepens your connection with nature and the rhythms of the earth. It's a holistic approach that benefits your garden, your health, and the planet. Let's clear up some myths. Biodynamic gardening isn't just mysticism. It's grounded in proven ecological practices like composting and crop rotation. While some preparations seem unusual, research shows they can improve soil and plant health. You don't need to be an expert or follow every rule. Start small and experiment. Biodynamics is about working with nature, not making gardening complicated. Give it a try and see what works for you. Ready to start? Begin by observing your garden. Notice sunlight and wind and wildlife. Start composting. It's the foundation of biodynamic gardening. Add kitchen scraps and garden waste to create rich, nourishing compost. Try using horn manure or horn silica preparations, available online or from specialist suppliers. Experiment with planting by the moon using a biodynamic calendar or app. Track your results in a gardening journal to see what works best. Be patient. Biodynamic gardening is a journey, not a quick fix. Enjoy the process and let nature guide you. There are plenty of resources to support your biodynamic journey. Check out books like Gardening for Life by Maria Thun or Biodynamic Gardening by Hugh Lovell. Visit the Biodynamic Association's website for articles, events, and workshops. Connect with local biodynamic gardeners or join online communities to share experiences. Keep a journal to track your observations and progress. Remember, learning and experimenting are part of the fun. As we wrap up, remember biodynamic gardening is about connection with the earth, with nature's rhythms, and with yourself. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, so experiment and trust your intuition. Every garden is unique. What works in one may not in another. Stay curious, keep learning, and enjoy the process. Gardening should be joyful. Celebrate your successes and learn from your challenges. Embrace the abundance your biodynamic garden brings. That's your beginner's guide to biodynamic gardening. If you enjoyed this, subscribe, share, and let's grow in harmony with nature together. See you in the next one.